Wives out there, the Bible says that it's better for a man to live in the desert than with a nagging, controlling, hostile wife. Better to live in the attic, another translation says also. Better to live in the attic than to live with this. And I really challenge you to look at that a man would rather go anywhere than deal with strife and conflict. And I know that we can have our reasons. Well, he doesn't, and he doesn't, right? But nagging has never changed that. You've never got him to do anything you wanted by nagging him. I want to challenge you to shift your gears and shift your way. That there's gifts inside of you that you've been given by God that can help navigate a man to do what you want him to do. And it's through love. It's through respect. It's through just saying, hey, baby, can you please help me out and take out the trash for me? Hey, honey, can you, when you get some time, maybe this weekend, can you clean up this area for me? It's the manner in which you ask. A man, inside of every man, a desire to please his wife. You have to pull that out. And you pull that out with just being you, the way you were designed. You were not designed to nag, and you were not designed to be a hag in a sense. You were not designed to be on his case like he's a 5-year-old child. But instead, treat him with respect. Treat him with honor. Let your words go